Welcome guys, this is Chitrank Dixit presenting you looping constructs in Python. So first of all, to see how loop works, let us see while loop in Python. So I'm writing the basic while loop. While test is true, print out terminate. Press Ctrl C to terminate. Alright, this will keeps on continuing until I press Ctrl C. That's a keyboard interrupt to interrupt that loop. Alright, now let's see some values. So I'm assigning a value name 0. Alright, while a is less than 10, print out a is equals to a plus 1 and increment a at each step. So first of all, the value of a would be 0, then it increments a by 1, so the next time it checks, the value gets 1, and it keeps on printing all the values until the value of a becomes 10. When the value of a becomes 10, it gets terminated. Alright, so let's hit enter, again enter, see the results. Also, in the above while loop, we can add else statements. So if the value gets reached to 10, so write value has reached to 10, right? So the value has reached to 10, it has written the else statement. Just because in the above for loop we have got a is equals to 10, we have not initialized a with 0 value, so reinitialize it with 0 value, again use this loop. Now the value of a is 0, so it would check out, prints out numbers from 0 to 9, and when it gets reached to the value 10, the else statement, else block gets executed. Alright, see the result. Now we can use break, continue and pass statements as well. So to use them, just type while a is 0, while a is less than 10, if a is equals to 4, break, print a is equals to a plus 1, right? So when I hit enter, I get values from 0 up to 4. When the value of a reaches to 4, the if statement checks the condition, the if block gets executed and break terminates the whole loop. Alright, also we can use continue loop. So if I'm using a is equals to 4 to break, I can use an else block, continue and assign so the loop gets continued all the time and it's print out 4. Alright, it has checked for the condition 4. If a is equals to 4, it has got broken. Now we'll use for loops. To use the for loops, let's have a look at the lists. So I'm assigning a list with elements 1, 2, 3 and some more elements in it. So this is the list with some 6 elements. Alright, to use the for loop, I just write for body for element in L, print out element. So it prints out each element one by one from the list. Here's the result. This is how for loop works. Also, we can use for loop with range function for I in range 0 to 10. Print I into I, simple multiplication. So it is multiplying the I with I until it reaches to 9. The range defines the starting point and the ending -1 position. So the values from 0 to 9 has been taken into the I element, and it has squared up all those values and printed out the result on the term interpreter. This is how loop works in Python. For more videos, please catch out on my channel. I hope you have enjoyed this one. Please like. Thanks for watching.